Hi there, my name is Morelli and I am a digital artist from Germany. I am also the newest artist to collaborate with DIYmoonshop.com. Now, for those of you who aren't familiar with DIY Moonshop, it's a website that sells so-called diamond paintings. And they are one of only very few shops that actually license artwork from different artists on the internet. They told me that they would be sending me a diamond painting, and this package here was waiting for me when I got home from work today. I obviously knew I'd be getting a package, but whoa, this is so much bigger than I was expecting. I'm really excited to see what's inside. I know it's one of my paintings as a diamond painting. I wanted to do an unboxing video, but I don't think I'll be able to open this with just one hand while filming with the other. So I'm going to have to set my smartphone down for just a little while, and then I'll show you what's inside this wonderful package here. So, this picture was wrapped very well. It took me a few minutes to carefully cut it open. This here is my painting called Where Stars Come From. It's on a canvas actually, and I hope you can make out all the tiny sparkling beads here. There must be thousands of them. And there are a few special beads that are shaped like little stars in silver and gold. This is just amazing. I've never actually seen a diamond painting before, let alone made from one of my paintings. So a big thank you to Roanna and Reggie from DIYmoonshop.com, not just for sending me this, but just also for making this collaboration here possible. Thank you so much. Bye.